welcome to the video. I'm unboxing this this phone I've got. This Huawei phone we've purchased from online, from Amazon. So it's just come and we're opening up to see what it's like. Okay, so, and here it is, the Huawei P30, sealed. So it is actually sealed, as you can see. So we're going to open it up and have a look at it. Okay, and we're just going to open this up. So the seal is on it. I think once the seal is open, that means it's open. So we are opening the seal. Nice box, quite decent quality by the looks of it. So yeah, the quality of the box is pretty decent. We're just opening this up for the first time. Get near over. So yeah, it's sealed. There we go. So now it says void. So that must mean it's now open. And we'll open it up. Let's have a look inside. There we go. So there's your phone. It's really nicely packaged by the looks of it as well. So there's my phone. Okay, it's quite good quality. And inside the box, let's have a look. So we've got standard stuff really. We've got the USB charger over here. It's premium quality. Okay, so we've got the charger, and we've got the power source, which is this. Really nicely packaged, as you can see. The phone is nicely sort of put together as well, and also we've got the headphones for the charging. So yeah, unboxing a Huawei phone, brand new mint, sealed Huawei phone, as you can see. I bought this from Amazon, just a bit, you know, paid £349, and clearly it's not a fake or anything because it's nicely sort of sealed. There's the serial number on the back as well. So yeah, unboxing a Huawei